Want to give a seasonal twist to your regular dal? Try out this easy and flavorful raw mango dal fry. The dal I am using today is half cup washed and soaked tur or arhar dal. I had soaked the dal for half an hour. Into this half teaspoon turmeric powder or haldi, salt as per taste, 1 cup of water. We will let this cook on high flame for 2 whistles. Post this, lower the flame and we will let the dal cook for 5 minutes on low flame. 5 minutes are up and the cooker has cooled down too. Let's check. The dal is done. Just stir and mash a little and we are good. Time has come to cook raw mangoes for the dal. In a heated pan on medium flame, I am putting 2 tablespoons of desi ghee. Once the ghee heats, I am adding 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida or hing, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 dried red chilli, half teaspoon red chilli powder, and 1 small raw mango peeled and cut into wedges. I am adding around half a cup of water into this. Cover and let it cook for 3 minutes. If you like, you can add onions, garlic and even curry leaves while making this tadka. Totally a taste preference. The mangoes have softened. Now, I'm simply adding the dal to the cooked raw mangoes. The tanginess of the raw mangoes is going to give a nice punch to our dal. We want the flavors of the mango to incorporate well, so I'll cover this and let this simmer for 2 minutes on low flame. 2 minutes are up. An extremely simple yet flavorful dal is ready. Let's serve. Garnish this with chopped coriander leaves for an enhanced flavor. Perfect. And this is how my regular dal has got a sour mango punch, making it a lot more interesting. After all, life is too short to be boring, isn't it? Till we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.